Hi guys, in this day 10, what we will cover about a data types in the Python part 3. You know that in the previous day 9, we will cover about a data type in the Python part 2. So remaining data types we will cover in the part 3. It will be beneficial lectures for you if you are learning Python as a beginner level. So your weak concept will be clear in this lecture series. Data types in the Python part 3 day 10. So at first we will learn about mapping data type, which type of data in the Python that used as a mapping data type. In other words, we can say that this is a dictionary data type. Another is a set data type. Another is a Boolean data type, binary data type. So these are different data types that we will cover in the part 3. So don't miss this lecture series that will cover all these data types. So it will be a complete data types lecture series that we have covered in the previous also part 1, part 2 and part 3. So any confusion you can share with me.